Hi everyone, good morning, good afternoon. I hope the sound is okay. Please just let me know if it's okay or I need to change it. I hope you are ready for a Tuesday trading. Yesterday the market was really lazy and slow. Well, not towards to the end because seems like Trump just gets some interesting news for us, like for example, he just wanted to fire Cook from the FOMC members, and he just threatened China with an extra 200% of tariffs on the rare earth metals, so exports actually. So this seems like another interesting day is coming today. Hi Darren, hi Steve C, Andy, nice to see you. Good morning, Clifton, Scott, DVG, the whole team. Nice to see you here. Hi, Lee, Marco, Brian, the early birds. Always, I can always count on you. And of course, my YouTube traders too. Nitsan, nice to see you. Yes, Amir is going to join us soon. He's not here yet, but he's going to join soon as well. So, traders, seems like a very interesting, fantastic day is coming. We have some economic news. Vida, it's nice to see you. Indeed, and I'm just going to tell you a bit more about that as well. So far, traders, I would say that this nice bounce that caused by Powell in the Jackson Hole Symposium seems like it's a short-lived a little bit, but let's see at the end. We could see that the bulls just did not give up even yesterday. At least towards the end of the day, they had to. But so far, the market is struggling definitely on the highs. My watch list, it's mainly red indeed. For example, like even the futures, but the triple Q is down 0.08, SPY 0.03. But I must tell you, this is not that bad because if we are just checking the S&P 500 pre-market, you will see that it definitely tried to make a little comeback earlier. Now not that much, but I see a small double bottom here around the 641 level. Let's see whether it's going to keep it. Yesterday, as I mentioned, you a very small day, really hard trading day in my opinion. I ended in a small green, but not no huge trades, I would say. And even if you just check the daily chart, it was a very tiny little daily candle, and it's an inside day, so it was trading in Friday's trading range, which was not a surprise because Friday was a huge move to the upside for sure. So traders, today, as I mentioned we are going to have some economic news as well, and I'm just going to tell you what are these. After, again, I'm just repeating myself, Trump threatened China with 200% tariffs on the export of the rare earth metals, and even he wants to fire Lisa Cook from the FOMC member board, and this just caused some turbulence on the market, as you can see. So let's see. Hi, Marco. SPY and triple Qs are red, and IWM is green. Yes, Mark. Actually, I don't know if you have listened to me in the recent weeks, but I was expecting that. It's not like a rocket science. I mean, I know, but I was expecting that the market participants, the traders, are going to start to relocate from the big stocks to the small stocks indeed. So this rotation, I think, has been started, and this what we can see indeed. Like even Nvidia gave up after this nice try to push higher yesterday. So traders, yes, S&P 500, the triple Q starting in a small red. And if I'm just checking the economic calendar, yesterday it was very quiet, but today we have already durable goods orders and core durable goods orders out, and it was a bit better than expected. I think it's just get a little hold on the market bleeding as well. And later on 10 o'clock, we will get the consumer confidence and the Richmond manufacturing index. And that's it for today, but much better than yesterday. That yesterday it was really quiet. If I'm just checking actually this world stock exchanges, Europe ended in red, Asia red as well, thanks to the tariff threat from Trump again. And it's not the fact that this is of course it's quite of a hard thing for to absorb for the Asia Pacific market, especially China and Japan. I mean the threat of the 200% of tariff. But this is just showing that this truce between China and US, this trade deal truce, it's still very fragile. So I think this is what we saw in the market indeed. That's why, and even the Chinese market, the Hang Seng is just down 1.18% because this is a little bit worrisome for sure. Futures are red as well, as I've told you, and crypto just pulled back. The Bitcoin, it was just under 110K too. So let's just see whether it's going to continue lower. The small caps are interest rate sensitive. Mark, very good, exactly. Thank you for that remark. It's definitely very important to say that as we are ready for the rate cut, the small caps are going to get into the focus more and more. Yes, Vidais, a question. What is your favorite small cap to trade? I must tell you, I have not done my homework yet. So I'm going to do it for you next week, okay? Because I'm just ready for that for weeks to check my favorite small caps. But at the moment, I would say this or that, but I just would like to do a proper research for that, and I'm going to come back for that, okay? So unfortunately, this moving, it just took my time, so I could not make my homework, but I'm going to do it this week. Buenos días, Todd. ¿Qué tal? Okay, so that's 80% high volume. I'm going to check it soon. It's and thank you very much. So traders, again, market is a bit sad about Trump threatening China with extra tariffs, and he wants to fire Lisa Cook from the FOMC member board. And even the French stocks are sliding as Paris government faces risk of collapse. Ouch, that's not a good news for sure. So Fed independence, it is at risk as well, and China tariffs deal too. Trump tells Fed's Lisa Cook she's fired. She says he has no authority to do so. So that's going to be another interesting story, just like when he threatened Powell to fire. So we don't know yet what's going to happen indeed. As I've told you guys, 10 o'clock, I'm going to be careful because two more economic news are going to be on the in the air, and they will drop, and after that definitely we will see a little bit more move hopefully than yesterday. mRNA under 25.30, I have not seen mRNA yet, need some, but I'm just going to be on it soon. Thank you. So mRNA, it's on your watch list, such as well. And Zuki, good morning, you're watching AMD. I'm going to watch it. Actually SMCI is green and AMD is more to the green side. Even SoundHound is flying almost 1% higher. One of my favorite small AI stock. I'm going to watch what else in here. NVIDIA, it's much stronger than yesterday. Definitely Roblox, what a run yesterday. Unbelievable. But now it's not that strong. And the weakest on my list traders, it's Hood, BLTR, Reddit, Meta, CVX, Tesla, and MU. So these are going to be on my short list. As I see, Scott already posted his list. Sets on the long side, LLY, Goose, VFC, Rocky, AMD, OKLO, IBKR. IBKR is ready to join to the S&P 500, and it's going to replace Williams Sonoma, by the way, and short only STZ. So let's just move to the big movers, and let's see the great candidates for today. Eli Lilly, it's higher because of the weight loss pill, or for Glipron, cleared another late-stage trial. The higher dose of the pill helped patients lose 10.5% of their weight on an average of 72 weeks, compared to just a 2.2% weight loss in the placebo group. So this seems like it's very effective. So I still bet on exercise and eating healthy. But of course, this is the people's choice, and I know that there are people who can, completely change their life with that. So I'm really happy for that news. So indeed, Eli Lilly, it's higher. Let's just see what's happening there. Eli Lilly, it's very nicely to the upside, 717. 720 can be a barrier there, but look at that nice gap to fill back to the 740 area. I really like LLY. One thing I don't like, and you know it exactly, that this is spready. So this is a little bit like a risky stock. Be careful with that. But LLY just convinced me to put it on the long side. CSX continued down. Thank you, Nitsan. I'm just going to check it too. And after LLY, let's just see this goose, which is on Scott's list as well. And this is Canada Goose, the retail stocks, even VFC and Rocky Brands, as I've told you, these all retail stocks traded higher after being upgraded to outperform by Baird. So this is a really good news. And if I'm just checking Goose here, we cannot trade it on the, okay, it's a low volume stock. That's why, guys, be careful with this one. But VFC, it's higher too. And this is a much better stock, in my opinion. Also, this is not a big mover. I'm just going to move it to the long side. And we still have this Rocky, which is on Scott's list as well, together with the VFC. So these are just climbing higher on some nice upgrade. But on the TEFS, we can't trade only the VFC. It's okay. It's going to be enough. I think AMD is the next one. So Zuki, I think you like it because actually it got an upgrade to buy from hold at Roist. So this is quite of a strong upgrade. I'm going to put it to the long side, but don't forget that yesterday it was quite weak. So I'm going to be careful though with the stock, even despite of being nicely upgraded. OKLO, 3% after BAC initiated the nuclear tech company at a buying rating. Well done, OKLO, big mover. I like it, but it can be a crazy mover. So just with a lower share size. And IBKR, as I've told you, sorry, I did not remember on the right company, because Volgreen Boots is going to be replaced by the IBKR, and this is definitely a nice green flag for the bulls here. Constellation Brands is the last one, STZ, and this is on Scott's list as well to the short side. And the reason for that, this just got a quite of an ugly downgrade by Bank of America. Hi, Anne, good morning to you. Nice to see you. And now let's just get CSX, Nissan, one of the stock from Nissan. Wow, two big red days. Do you think it's coming a third one? Actually, it has a very nice momentum, Nitsan. I like it, but I don't like the fact that there is a 200 EMA on the daily. Um, I'm going to put it to the secondary list. I was just thinking where to put it, but I think it's worth to watch, definitely. mRNA, you mentioned too that you like it, mRNA, and this SEATC that is on Scott's list as well. mRNA looks interesting because now its might is going to bounce from the 25. I don't know. Let's just watch it. But mRNA sometimes it just tricks me, so I'm going to be careful with that stock actually. All right, traders. If I'm just checking once more my nice candidates list, I must tell you that AMD and mRNA are the strongest. BABA and SoundHound, I'm going to watch SoundHound too to the long side. Indeed, it looks like it's a great reversal opportunity on the daily. Either WMT, AVGO, it's higher. Netflix was a crazy runner yesterday. Sorry, actually. And even to the short side, I still have some great candidates like Hood, PRT, or Reddit, definitely on my short side, together with Meta. And Amazon is coming down as well. So Meta, Reddit, or DDT, Hood, and maybe even PRTR. Also with PRTR, let's be careful, but I like it this morning to the short side. So traders, I think this is ready. I mean, my candidates list, and definitely I'm just going to post it in the YouTube room as well. Here we are, traders. If you still have anything on the radar, please just let us know in the chat. And traders, I just would like to raise your attention to one fantastic thing, which is a promotion. We will get a promotion this week, and this is a buy one, get one free challenge account by the TEFS. So I strongly suggest you to check out our website for that. It's a really good one, first of all, and we have a new beautiful website. Please just check it. And if you want to share your thoughts, please just drop me an email. I'm very proud of it because I was a part of it as well. Please just check it and let's see if you just feel like, let's just start with a challenge. Here it is the opportunity because any of the challenges, if you want buying one, you are going to get one free. So go for it, grab it today, and you can just join even or Scott and DVG. Okay, traders. Hi, Luis. Nice to see you. EH. Okay, just a second. I'm going to check it soon. EH. All right. So buy one. Okay. Yes, not bad. EH. I like it to the short side. This is either not a huge mover, but I must tell you that this can be though a mover. So let's just check it there. Okay, traders, I'm just going to post this and I don't know how to pin it. Okay, here we are. All right, in the meantime, as I see, Amir is ready maybe to join us. And for the YouTube traders, of course, we are going to stay here. And for the VIP room traders, I'm going to wish you a beautiful green day and see you tomorrow, guys. Bye. Hi, Amir. I'm just going to get you to the main room. Just a second. I'm okay. I'm okay. In Spain. Yeah, and it's actually very hot. Okay, just a second. Oh yeah, I guess so. Okay. All right. I think you are in.
Hi guys, hi Agi, hear me well?
Hi, Amir. Yes. Please, guys,
Good.
let me know if the sound is okay for Amir.
Luis, what's going on?
Hi,
Sarko, hi.
Sarko.
Good,
Yeah, I think
good.
it's okay, Amir.
Okay. I babysitter them very well, Agi.
I was
Prob-
sure you're going to do
yeah.
a great job.
Maybe they
I
miss
think
you
so.
because with you it's much more calm, you know. You have your own rhythm, I have my own rhythm, but you know, it's good to be exposed to different variety, that's for sure, and each one will take his own trail, that's for sure.
Exactly. Exactly. I completely agree. Hi,
Thank you, Andrew.
Tara. Hi, Andrew. Thank you.
What are your
Okay,
stock
traders.
today? Wow, you
I
have.
have some.
Yeah, I'm gonna let you mine.
Mm-hmm.
Um, my first one, I want to see. I want Nvidia. Um, EH. I don't usually do it, and I want Rigetti and um, two more stocks to watch. Definitely, we need is IBKR. They're gonna be
Yeah.
added to the S&P.
Mm.
So definitely. And something was going on. I didn't read the DJT in the pre-market.
Mm-hmm.
So these
DJT is
are
flying again. Okay.
DJT. Yeah, something was going on there. It broke a good trigger on the daily, and so the high was what's the high? Yeah, 19. Okay, so these are my stocks that I'm watching.
Nice. So momentum you have, huh?
Yeah, I have
RGTI. Okay, hello. Just got an upgrade too, by the way. So might is going
which
to be
stock?
okay, hello, Oklo.
Yeah, yeah, I saw it, but you know. when I was watching, it was like 300 and something. How many shares right now? Yeah, half
Mm.
million. Yeah, and since I have others, I'm just wrote it on a different list, because we
Okay.
can't get to everything.
Yeah, that's for sure.
Okay. So you start eating well in Spain, Aggie.
Oh
You
yeah,
left
definitely.
the
Fresh orange juice every morning, just
good.
this.
You left the paprika. You left the goulash for TEFS and
I'm not going to cry over the tapas either, so
it's not good so much.
no, I love it. I love it. I was just kidding.
Yeah, I love
Oh,
it.
thank
Yeah,
you, Anne. And you are the
three,
dream audience, guys.
three. I hope you're not
Appreciate
gonna
it.
sleep while we're gonna trade in.
I'm sure. I'm sure she would.
Okay.
Okay, guys. So I don't know this market. What do you think about AMD, Amir?
And
Hmm?
what I'm thinking, I had to buy it in 80s. That's what I'm thinking. And I was
Okay.
debating because sometimes you're thinking too much. It's like
I know,
um,
just your gut feeling because yesterday it was weak.
it's
Now,
not
okay, we got
guts.
an upgrade,
Sometimes you
but
just need
I
to.
don't know.
You just need to.
Mm,
Because you have experience and you know exactly what's going on, and a lot of time you do it. Sometimes the
sure.
hesitation supposed not to be. I don't know. I can't tell you.
Mm,
I don't. I regret about this. I did it some way on MU, but AMD did it much better than MU. MU is like a disease, like
yeah, yeah. I,
sometimes.
I took it off my radar, by the way. It's
Yeah.
not on my watch list
What do
anymore.
you want to do with AMD?
Actually, AMD looks a bit tricky for me because yesterday it was definitely weaker based on the daily as well. It looks like weaker, but
On
today
the
we got
daily,
an
it looks really
upgrade.
good. On the
Yeah.
daily, it looks good to the 180 something. Yeah, there is a nice.
Yeah, now
We
it
can trade
does.
it. We need to see the levels from the pre-market. What's the
Mm,
level? 168.74. We have 167 area. Yeah, it's also a good credit candidate.
yeah.
I want to watch
Mm.
Nvidia. Because I think today after it's the earnings. So um,
NVDA, it's
yeah,
tomorrow.
yeah.
Tomorrow after the close, right?
Tomorrow. Okay, so tomorrow. Yeah.
Tomorrow. Yeah, if I remember right, but I'm just
Yeah, yeah, I
double
know. I
checking
thought it's
myself.
today, but it's after, so it's gonna be tomorrow.
It is
Uh,
going to be
if you
tomorrow,
see the
yeah.
pre-market guys of Nvidia, it's really planned. The triggers are really planned to like above 181 with good volume. I'm gonna be in under
Mm.
180. Um, yeah, so that's the levels from the pre-market, 81 and 80. So with a good volume, and who knows what's gonna happen.
We will see that. So market is starting in 5 minutes. Pi triple Q still in a small red. That doesn't mean too much in my opinion, but let's see. And PLTR is red again. Good, Reddit Meta. Meta is red too. Meta. Okay. Everything is on just on the brink. Like if I'm just checking Meta daily chart, it looks like as it's stuck, like over 760, it can start a reversal on the daily, but if it's breaking the 730s, that's going to be a nice push to the downside. I want to see a decision now here. Second day on RKLB, checking
Yeah,
it.
yeah. I traded yesterday. I want to watch it today also. I forgot to write you. It's in front of me.
Oh,
So
nice.
RKLB. There was a
Mm-hmm.
good day yesterday for RKLB. I don't know what's going to happen, but definitely we need to see.
Looks interesting. Meta, okay.
Probably you didn't trade last week.
No, no, I did not trade. We were on the road, so I was swing trading and I was very brave with Reddit. I've shorted in on 236.
For travel, it's swing amazing. Last week
Yeah.
year I was in. I had some days that I could day trade in, but when I was in state, um, it went pretty well. the swing. I did like a version of swing day. So I actually put the triggers and I put the stop and I put the partials and let's say 90 plus percent of the time it was really good. Really.
Yes, me too. I
So
really like.
sometimes I wish I was away more from the computer, then the result will be much better. But that's for different conversation. Yeah.
I know. Okay. Hi, Alamu. ASTS you're watching? SATS, no? SATS? Sets?
I think they have some
Mhm.
communication contract with what's the name of the big one from the United States? Forgot the name.
Wow. I don't know, but that's just crazy. 84% higher now. I don't know whether it's going to push higher, but we can watch it. ATT is buying from them. Ah,
ATTA. I remember
thank you,
some
Jeremy.
communication. Yeah, I remember there was something.
Yeah,
Oh,
ATNT.
also, Aggie, you mentioned AMD. We can we can look at SoFi. Got to a new high on the daily, and it's also another
Yeah.
candidate in the future. We can in the future, like as the day go by, we can actually watch it.
Yes, yeah. Someone had just asked me, Vidas, you did ask me about the favorite small cap, for example, SOFI. This is one of my favorite
It's
small
not so
caps.
much small cap.
Yeah, but it's still a
What
small cap than a
what is
large.
your definition for small cap?
Um, well, I know it's like defined by the market cap. It's quite
Correct.
clear.
Yeah,
But I think SOFI is just on the brink. I think it's still a small cap.
really. Yeah.
I
For
think
me,
they are.
still
Mm,
small cap. It's the guys under 10.
yes,
And sometimes you can
yeah,
see.
you're right.
Look at look at yesterday. Look at the daily of data stock I'm trading the last few days. THAR. Look at the daily. Look at the daily of that stocks.
THAR.
THAR. Yeah, look at the daily. Just phenomenal.
I don't have it on the. Yeah, we need to open it on the TEFS then. Hmm.
Okay.
But
I
yeah, AEHR, right?
oh, excuse me on the daily chart. Yeah.
Uh-huh. Yeah, that was
ATHR. No, THAR. Sorry. THAR. Amir,
we don't
concentrate.
have it, but AEHR we have, and this
Yeah,
is
I
really
know. I know that
impressive.
stock is also like
Yeah, it's quite good.
Videc. I know that there's no volume there. Late bloomer, whatever. But usually, what's going on with stock that it's gonna be to the S&P. They are making a move. It has to be on my chart. How? When? I don't know. But
Yeah, they can
definitely.
move. I mean,
Yeah.
IBKR can move, but just because of the news. So I don't blame you, Vidak, if it's not on your list, because yeah, it can be a tricky one. Okay, we are starting trading soon. Good luck, everyone. Let's just make a great green day. Yesterday it was slow.
Yesterday, yeah, you had to find good candidate because yeah, it was like
Yeah, that was the
EH.
key.
Okay,
PRTR, it's just pushing lower now. Good luck with that. Thank you. Just started. Okay. Tesla and AMD is your favorite, Alamu? Okay. Definitely on my list too. And 10 o'clock we will get to economic news. Don't forget, please. Okay. Coin is dropping too. LLY. PRTR, what a drop. Okay, so far small gap down on the market, guys, doesn't mean too much. Okay, RKRB and SOFI are really strong. I mean, look at that. Still pushing higher.
Another stock for the second day again. I forgot to write you. It's PDD. Everything that happened
Oh,
with
yeah.
China yesterday, definitely we need to.
Yeah, you are sure.
Um. Okay. So upon the first 2 minutes, I'm watching the first. My candidate will be EH. Um. Low of the day, 1580. I want to see if I can do 30 cent stop. So I want to do EH under the low of the day with 30 cent stop.
Mm-hmm. Looks great. I like it. I'm watching
30,
STZ as well.
yeah, 30 cent is because I want to get when it's breaking the low of the pre is like 40 cents under. I want to see the capitulation immediately. If not, I'm out and
Mm.
maybe try again later.
With the
Okay,
second chance.
yeah, our GTI is too aggressive. Got over the high already. Lots of aggressive candles. Yeah, and Nvidia exactly 180 to 181 a little bit, and then we need to wait.
Yeah, market is the same, like a really aggressive green
Yeah,
candle there.
we have a really big range candles.
Mm-hmm. Can be a trap. TTD. Checking. The trade desk. Hmm. Yeah, looks like as a possible continuation lower, but it's still not sure. Ooh, LLY jumping like crazy. Hi, D King. MU. We just mentioned that I moved the
Don't mention
stock.
MU. Don't mention MU. I have a rush from MU. Yeah.
Here is our mojo, and it's just going higher.
So 50. I'm also
Okay.
watching SoFi. So what I'm going to do, SoFi over 2650, which is pretty close, with maybe 10 cent, 20 cent stop. I'm going to start half position. We are already there. 2650, a half position, 20 cents. I want to see if we break the high and then see what's going on. Okay, I'm
Mm.
half position in SoFi. Okay, yeah, EH not ready yet.
I'm watching STZ under 160.80 traders for this
What's the
garage
volume
entry.
there, Aggie, in STZ?
5 million. Oh, it's
Wow.
not. Sorry. Wrong one. It's just 214,000. It's not
Yeah, I know.
SOFI.
I know because I know that stock. I don't have it in front of me, but I know that they have usually low volume.
I
So
see.
I wonder if something happened there. Yeah, STZ.
Meta looks very good, Kevin. I like Meta under 749. I'm going to join you, Meta. Like the daily, like the potential, but just under 749 for me. Stop loss 752.30. Okay. Okay, Tesla is suffering, not doing too much. Market either. IBKR just pulled back completely. Fill the gap. Mm. Okay. FSLR, be careful with that one. Can be so, it was always mean to me. It's spready, changing fast. Okay, Reddit again, pushing higher. Mm. This is what I was expecting from the market. Okay, guys, let's just go for a little market short here. $89.40 on the TQQQ. Stop loss on TQQQ 89.85. Entry 89.39 for me. Okay. Yeah, TR is holding. AMD dropping. Okay. So entry on TQQQ just under 89.40 traders. Okay. Like 89, 38, 30, 33, or 39. 570 on the triple Q. It's quite of a big barrier. Hopefully we will break it. So I did enter TQQQ traders. I want to get 20 cents first, take a partial, and then let's see. CRWD. Ooh, low volume here as well, Deaking, be careful. Kevin, I'm in with you on Meta too. I don't want a double bottom Amir on the market. I want a big push to the downside now.
Aggie, look if AIFF can be tradable in TEF. AIFF. It's a
No,
small cap. No? Okay.
no, it's not.
Okay.
It's too small.
It will be big. It will be big.
Do you think so?
I don't know. I don't. I'm just
I know.
watching. There is something going on there,
Mm,
and huge volume. So
see. Okay, market is struggling on the lowest traders. I'm still holding shorts here. Nvidia looking a bit stronger now, so be careful there with the short, definitely. Apple is falling like crazy. AMD is down too. Okay.
I'm getting again to SoFi. Again, same trigger, 26.50. My stop gonna be again 30 cents
Okay.
above 26.50.
Mark.
Still watching EH. Still watching EH, and
Okay. Just a second, guys. I will be back soon.
167, guys. Sorry, it's a little bit late. I'm waiting for pullback. AMD 167. I'm gonna give it a dollar stop, the low of the day. Okay, here is the retest. Boom. AMD 167. Okay. Sometimes even if I'm missing, I'm throwing an order. The stock is doing a retest, and boom, you get in. So AMD 167. SoFi. Okay. AIFF, PDD. Okay. So 30 cents in AMD, but we're not taking it for 30 cents. I want to see us get into the high of the day. If somebody has it AIFF in different platform, I'm buying it right now, 325, 25 cents, and over the high 340, I'm going to add more. AIFF. Okay.
Sorry guys, I am back and still struggling with TQQQ and Meta.
Yeah. We got to AMD right now. Doesn't look good. We got 167. We have a dollar stop. Um,
Nice. Seems like as a tricky market. I don't know.
yeah.
This is what, that's why I've told you that I don't want to see a double bottom here, but now it's just making a double top. Tricky market again, guys. Be careful today. Have you seen RKLB? Are you still in RKLB?
No, no, no. I
No?
don't.
Oh, okay.
Aggie, I'm not gonna go to sleep with that kind of stock. I'm gonna get pills.
Okay, okay.
Yeah,
Understood.
that's a crazy dude. You don't want to
Yeah,
mess with that one. I don't know what's going on there.
yeah.
Yeah, it's really tough stock. Like you need a good stop for there. It's a good like more than $3 ATR.
Yeah. LLY pushing higher again. AMD down. Apple, it's like in a free fall today, but the market is not giving up. That's weird. Okay, good. TQQQ coming back. Meta still looks good, traders. I'm still holding everything here. Hood just broke down. Which one? Tesla? Alemu. Hmm. Yeah, it's holding over the VWAP. Yes, SoundHound, it was on my list. I just did not put it here anymore. But yeah, that was not a good idea not to watch it. Maybe I'm going to watch it instead of STZ because it's just not doing anything at all. SoundHound. Wow, what a nice VWAP reversal there. Okay, come on, Meta. I want to see $2 on the Meta traders around 747. Market getting really nervous here. I don't know whether Trump is speaking or he just did something else. I don't know. But the market, I feel the market is really, really nervous today. Neo, Humble Ninja checking. Neo. Okay, here we go. Green on TQQQ, and I want to see 89.10 for the partial traders.
CRWD.
Okay.
NVIDIA.
Okay, traders, finally. Sorry, Amir. I'm just taking my first partial on the TQQQ, 3/4 out. 89, fantastic. This is what I wanted to see. I've just bought back 3/4 of my share size, and I'm waiting for Meta now.
1639.
Good. Crazy market today. Amir, crazy
I
market.
want to take EH under 1635. 20 cent stop, high of the day. So I want to see if we are doing here a double bottom, double top, and 1635. I'm gonna write it. I have time. EH, yeah,
Okay. Second pass on TQQQ going to happen around 80, 88.60. Closed out of NVDA small green with that nice. I forgot to check NEO. I'm just checking it, Humble Ninja. And nice call on the Tesla, Alamu. Hopefully it's going to push for you if you took it. But seems like the market is bleeding farther. So, and or Meta is in green now, finally. I want to see up 747 for a partial. Soundhound is back to the VWAP. Still looks good.
what is your position in Meta?
Meta 7 under 749 short.
Okay.
Okay. Spine's getting close to the 640. Triple Q broke the 570. That's a good sign for our TQQQ traders. Just it needs to continue now. Okay. And 10 minutes we will get some economic news. Right, it's changing the things there. Which one? NVDA if it's retesting 180. Yeah, it's interesting. Watch out on the TQQQ guys. Over 89.43, I'm out. This is the VWAP. Okay. Guys, I do apologize. In the coming days, sometimes I'm just going to on and off just for a second, but I'm just going to be alone with the kids now and trading. So that's going to be a challenging period for sure. But I hear everything. I am with you. But sometimes if I'm just switch off the mic or the camera, I'm still here. Okay? Can't believe this market is just coming back again. All right, I'm going to be out of TQQQ soon. 41, 43. Okay, out. So TQQQ unfortunately did not get to the second partial, and I'm still holding Meta, nothing else. But I like this EH. Amir, I really like this EH, if it can do this reversal here.
Until now, Eggy, I have 2.5 losses, 2 trades, full size, and one half. So
But you are
yeah,
already in the EH?
no, under
Not yet, right? Mm-hmm.
under 35, under 16.
Okay, here it
Wait,
is. Mm-hmm.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay, just a second.
EH. So EH, we have some resistance around 1620 with V up. If we break in that 1620, what's the low of the day? I want to see, maybe I'm going to be aggressive and I'm going to add under 1620. Yeah, I'm going to add under 1620. AMD 166.30. I want to do a second chance. And my stop going to be like $1 again. So 166.30. Okay. Hmm. DJT. I'm still watching also DJT. I don't know. I have to see something going on there. Nasdaq went from red to green. Okay. So I'm in AMD long and EH above 60. My stop is.
Sorry, guys, I'm back. Oh no.
Still in the edge. Still in the edge. High of this current candle, 20 seconds. That will be my stop.
Nyugodtan. Hmm. I just can't believe, but the bulls are not giving up, guys. So I'm in trouble with the meta. I'm in trouble with the meta. Tesla Buzak again. I don't know. Tesla, it's all over the place for me. What do you think, Amir? It's just
Yeah. Look at the balls. Ugly
yeah,
balls. Ugly,
yeah,
ugly balls. Yeah.
like all over the place. Okay, NVIDIA is testing the 180 again, so might we can check it. Tara, sorry, I'm just setting it in OBS a little bit. Sorry, Amir, I'm going to get down your volume a bit.
It's fine, so don't apologize. Everything is fine.
Okay.
Everything is fine.
Tara, let me know if it's better. And thank you to let us know. And I'm just wondering what this market wants. Maybe we are waiting for the 10 o'clock news. I don't know. No, Meta, don't do this with me, please. So market bulls are back again. Okay. I am thinking on this sound hound over 1250 SOUN. SOUN. Yeah, it looks good. I like sound hound traders. 1250 and CSX checking. CSX. Last chance for Meta. I don't know, for me CSX looks like it's just run out of the steam. I don't, it's just, I don't know, Meta. Like it's no volume. I see what you mean, Nitsam, because it looks like it's a nice intraday breakdown. I just miss the volume a bit there.
My stop in the edge over 70. It was 61. I waited for the end of that candle, 70. So it's going to be another 9 cents. I'm watching DJT. I want to see volume increase. It's exactly on the
Okay.
V up. Like 1810 can be a really good area to if it's want to break up. Still, I don't see the volume. AMD
Coming back.
did pathetic 40 cents. Came back
Yeah.
now to the entry. Um, Red start, but yeah, you follow your plan.
Yeah.
Nothing happened. Nothing happened.
Final stop loss on Meta, 752.50 traders. It's just made two dodges, one shooting star, so that still looks good, but over 752.50, I need to say goodbye. PITR, it's stronger today as well. Just checking it. Here comes Sound Hunt, 52. It's my entry on the Sound. Sound Hunt almost in. Stop loss on Sound is going to be under 1232. Okay. Alex, 300 on the coin.
Coin. How many
Yeah.
is 300? Okay, let's see what. Usually I go first to the IBIT. I trade yesterday IBIT, Alex. Yesterday was like bottoming and I actually did a good trade. The same times, you know what? I was watching after. If I would trade it coin, I could do better.
Okay.
Regarding daily, I don't see something. Regarding pre-market, I don't see something. Um,
Yeah, I'm just checking the news in the meantime. Today is the 26th. Wow. Consumer confidence, it's much better.
what? What did you
It
say?
was consumer confidence number, like it's lower than last month, but higher than the expectations. And the Richmond Manufacturing Index, it was better than expected. So
I
I
don't see
guess
any
it's good
influence on
news.
the market.
Not really. Yeah, this is a bit interesting there. Okay, Meta reversing. That's good. Uh, Soundhound, come on. I'm still, so I am in Soundhound
Guys,
traders.
Nvidia over 180.10, a dollar stop under 179. I like that formation. 180 was the low of the pre-market. If we break it, and I see a good volume there, it might do something.
Mm.
Even though I'm with how many minutes we are in AMD and we are 15 cents. Give me a break. So EH, we have the I have stop over 70. Got into got into Nvidia in AMD.
Okay. Market again just cannot decide. You know what? I was hoping for the news. It's going to decide the direction. Not really so far. Yeah, Alex, I agree that the coin looks really like it's a very strong support there around this 300, and it's just going sideways for a while. So I would just maybe leave it alone.
Nvidia, I like the 10. Above 10 usually between the first 10 cents. All the crap. Break up and then the shorts get in. Usually, if it's clean 10, the stocks, get. So I don't have problem, and we have a dollar stop, so I don't care about few cents. Uh,
Okay. Market
Definitely,
actually
if we can go, if AMD decide to break maybe 167, then we're gonna clean the view up and everything will be better.
yeah, that sounds great. Sometimes starting, maybe. I want to see like a 1270 for the first partial on the sound. And let's see whether we can go higher there. Market is really trying to push higher as I see.
Market is trying to annoy
Yeah.
us, Aggie,
Yeah, it's doing
and
a
he
really good
succeed
job.
very well.
Yeah,
Succeed very well.
exactly.
If I see the P&L market, you did a great job. Really
Oh
good job.
no. Meta almost out. Still on. Meta completely hanging on a thread. Okay, my sound is in a small green, but Meta is really hanging on a thread. And look at Tesla started to dump now. Hamilton, every day the market annoys us, yes. No, there are days when it's just behaving well, but most of the times it's just too much
There are days
against.
that the market is like this, but you pick the momentum one, and
Yeah.
they follow the levels of the pre and whatever.
Mm,
Today it's not. Today it's not. You can see I have like until now 3.5 losses. Yeah,
mm,
basically everything I did is red, which is not normal, but that's the fact today. So you
yeah,
can't. This is a professional. You can't escape from results. You can tell any
exactly.
story you want. I prepare. I prepare. Who cares?
Exactly. So it's I would say it's the part of our
Yeah, it's been a while. I don't remember that I had something, but it's something from the past, and you have to live with that. That's it. I have to be more
exactly.
selective. I see a lot of triggers, but I'm not jumping because I see what's going on, and it's fine. What can you do?
Hmm.
You don't get panic. You don't throw your computer.
No.
Yeah, you breathe, breathe. I like to breathe. I like to.
Meditation.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay,
Yeah.
I learn. I met psychology, when I was in the state that is doing with traders. And in years ago, remember, it looks to me like a bullshit or what, learn and your breathing and you have to, what's, how do I say? You have to train your breathing, really, like
Yeah.
all kind of stuff like this. And you're absolutely, it's right. First, when you even jump into cold water, instead of panic, if you train, you immediately control your breath. And
Mm.
second, exactly in trading, like, okay, 3 losses, you want to get panic, you want, your heartbeat wants to go. But if you see the sign and everything, then you control, you calm yourself. This is the most, because what's the worst thing that happened now? Okay, I lost this, now I have to double, I have to bring back, and then you get all over. Most of you did that, and
Mm.
that's the area that you should avoid, between get a red day and red catastrophic day.
Yes. Yeah, you're right. You're very much right.
I
I
had a
just
really
learned that
good
technique as
student years
well.
ago, really good student. He could make sometimes really. I understand what he did, like sometimes even 5 figure in a day, not in a day, so in a week, whatever. But he didn't control, when he did something, he could, in one trade, he could demolish the
Just
entire
lose
week. Yeah.
everything, right?
And he saw everything really good. And we tried to control over in anger and everything. And he knew, like, he used to work in construction. So we say how much you're earning in one day and how much you earn here. Like, you have to think about it, because that's
Mm.
what's stand in front of you. And he came back. He went back to construction. Yeah,
Really? Wow.
yeah. Well, that's what
Mm.
usually happen, Aggie. Very few.
Definitely.
You can train a lot, a lot, but at the bottom, it's a lot of work that the trader need to do. It need to
I
do.
know.
It's a long journey every day. It's like you just can't come, for example, not ready. You can't
Most,
come that you didn't
yeah,
sleep well, you didn't eat well. Like
exactly.
you have to be in control. It's not like a walk that you come the day after and you start
It's
where you left.
demanding.
Yeah,
Psychologically, it's a very demanding.
psychology is the most important key here. So
That's
that's
for
why it's
sure.
very difficult. Really, that's the everybody see the, let's say, everybody see the formation. Okay,
Mm.
risk management, most of you doesn't have any control. Okay, you can learn with that, but to keep the routine day by day, that's the goal. That's the problem. Yeah.
I would say it's the challenge.
I like the challenge, but some
Yeah,
people then don't get to the challenge because those bad habits, just demolish them, and that's it.
I know. I know. Most
And
of my traders who succeed after the mentoring, um, the type of the traders who needs a job next to trading, and I think it's completely fine. Like I had this
definitely, I have to tell you, most there is, I
exactly.
can count, and I think I did hundred of students. I can count maybe on one hand people that actually ready, and not because I'm bad. I think I'm a good teacher, but it's a problem, I can't take all the responsible, on myself. I can teach and you can understand, but you have to
Mm.
do it day by day by day. Yeah, it's not tough. Day like today, it's
This is a
tough,
tough day.
and you
Yeah,
have
I'm
to grow
almost
from
meta.
that day. Yeah.
Yeah, this is a tough day. For me, one winner, one loser so far, traders. Sound is still there. We can save the day, and market is still pushing higher. So yeah. Well, we can teach, and we can just show the path and so on. But most of the responsibility and the job, it's on the trader. Like we cannot change their the psychological side attitude. This is the hardest. This is the hardest.
You can change the attitude, but they need to really work hard. I have a student, I think we started a few months ago, and let me give you example. I always finish the session when I finish everything. I ask, once a month, send me reports. We
Yeah.
can see according to this. I have to tell you, 98% are not. 98 are not. Really?
Like
Are not.
for the follow-up, yeah. I'm always there
No,
for the
no,
follow-up,
no.
even
And I'm
after years. I have students who are with me
not
for
after years,
years.
I'm telling you. Yeah. So right
I
now I
still
have
have
one student
some.
that are actually doing this. And it's
Yeah,
doing
yeah.
really nice. But yeah, it's
Um,
rare, like you don't,
yeah.
yeah.
Buzak, I think Amir meant 5 who are trading for a living. You meant like that, Amir?
Say it again. You
Buzak,
said
just
out of 100. No, 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 maybe more than 100, more. And I'm saying like working, like really, really working. Not just playing around on the trader doing once. I mean, day trader like us, every day like a professional. And there's tons of reasons. Yeah, I saw all the reasons. Some people are not really for this profession already. I was trained sometimes with students that really, in some point, uh, they didn't even understand. Like there was nothing. This is different, but I had one really good student. So some of them are doing this in swing, whatever. I'm talking about day trading. One of them, like, can give you example. When my kids were small, really, when I was trading, I had signs for them, even when they were like 3, 4, 5. They run into the room. You know, I have the finger up or go away without words. And I practice, and I didn't have any problem with that, really.
Hmm.
And one guy used to trade when his daughter is on his knees. Okay, so first it's annoying me, and I told him like that I don't know how it's not annoying you. And everybody, of course, give reason, blah 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 blah, blah but bullshit. And he was a really good, amazing trader, but
Hmm.
that's fucked him. That's it. So
Hmm.
there's tons of reason. It's not. It's really tough.
Yeah, it is.
But again, everybody can be. Again, don't think that from this that you can't be. Definitely, you can be. But you need to invest in yourself.
And lots of things
Come
you need before
ready. You
that.
have to train yourself. You have to be in a good shape. Really, all those things around it. So you're
Hmm.
gonna be very sharp.
Yeah.
And you see, we get advantage of the market. We get social, and we get some good conversation. Guys, I want to try DJT over, yeah, 1820. Let's
Ooh,
do
I like
DJT.
it. I'm going to
DJT
join.
over 1820. Let's do like a 30 to 40 cent stop. Okay, I'm waiting for that formation. Um, I'm watching also RKLB. It's getting to the area which I pretty like. I want to see this candle finish. And what about AMD? Bullshit, nothing.
Ah,
Nvidia.
nothing. Yeah, he's just not
Nvidia,
moving at all.
it's embarrassing, really.
It is.
It's
Actually, it is.
embarrassing. Okay, DJT.
I'm still holding only the sound hound, but traders, I'm not going to let it down. 1244, I'm out. So it's a small loser like that. And unfortunately, Meta could not make the move. Market is completely dead. Look at that. Look at the daily. I mean, it's just a small little dodgy. Can't even see that.
About 1%, Boson. Yeah, yeah. And I read statistic, I saw in SMB Capital, they post some research that there was a university in uh, California did a research about how many succeed. I think it was maybe towards 1%, yeah. Because
1%.
usually they say 10%, which is bullshit. I knew that it's a bullshit, but then I read that part and they say, yeah,
However,
And
I
I
must
mean
tell you, Amir, that
succeed, that
mm,
they're walking this. And again, it's dependent. They don't have to put, a $1 million in the pocket every day, every month, every year. It's depend about, about your level. If you're something that you actually can live from that. Okay.
yeah,
So it's tough. It's tough.
it's very tough. That's for sure.
Everybody think he called himself day trader, because today all the everything is pretty wide open. They have platform, and I
Mm,
see a lot of advertising. Are you investing? Yeah, invest. So everybody feel he's an investor. Why? Because he has the app on his phone, and he can get really quick access, which is for traders, for people that doesn't know nothing. It's the worst things that can happen. It gives
yeah,
them access immediately, and then they, it's easy for them to fuck their account.
yeah.
Very, very easy. So
Very
for the
easily
company, it's
doing
good.
the car.
Yeah.
I know.
So everybody talking and think about his investor. Okay.
Hmm.
Okay. RKLB. Shit, I didn't see it. Ah, we were talking. There was a reversal there. You see the reversal there, Aggie?
Yeah.
61. Yeah, in 2 minutes. Yeah, I was talking and then
So,
was. Can't be more reversal than this, huh?
it's other one is coming. It's okay.
Yeah. 46,
Okay.
61. Okay. If RKLB is going down, I'm throwing an order 49. What's the high? 64.
B.
Okay, it's gonna be like a 30-cent stop. RKLB.
Mm.
I
Let's
have an
see. I
order.
see
I don't know
also
if it's gonna get me. Want to see maybe a small dip.
Sound Hunt finally moving traders, but I still need like at least 15 cents to take the partial there.
Okay, 65. Okay, I got it. RKLB. My stop under 30, so it's like a 30-cent stop. Okay.
The market wants to break out again. Mm.
Okay, Nvidia start to wake up.
Yeah.
Wake up. 50 cents in Nvidia after 15 minutes. It's pathetic.
Yes.
And 15 cents in AMD. We're making money, Aggie.
Yeah, finally.
Finally,
Not
we're
too
making
much on the
not
sound
too
hunt
much.
yet,
It's
but
not cover even my half lost.
uh,
Aggie.
I know. BJT doesn't want to go higher, so
No.
far at least.
Yeah. It did 5 cents, Aggie.
Mm-hmm.
And drop 15.
Dropping.
Yeah. I thought about if it's clear that view up, I want to see if we can get some volume that we got on the pre-market.
Mm.
So let's see. If you have questions, guys, that's the time because I'm not getting
Yeah,
into new trades. Yeah, really.
me
Yeah,
neither.
I'm in few trades and they're doing spectaculars. So, see, I'm not watching and Tesla, not Tesla, Nvidia 60 cents in the money. AMD, okay, 50 cents, okay. Maybe there's a hope.
Yeah, this market is acting weird again. So I'm just hedging myself with the TQQQ short if we fell off the cliff again. Let's see.
When you're hedging, how many, what risk are you putting? Like if you have, let's say, two trades, you're doubling the size in the TQQQ or not?
Well,
If
actually,
you
when I see a clear situation, then I'm not doubling, but adding definitely a little bit higher
okay, that's
amount.
usually um, professional that work with really high risk doing on with options, exactly what you're
Yes,
doing, but in
exactly.
option. Yeah.
I used to trade options for that, but
Aggie, I didn't know that. Really?
I used to, yeah, but since we are prohibited, like I am a Hungarian citizen,
Ah, it's
I
forbidden.
cannot, yeah, I cannot open an account because
Now
Tinkoff
you're in
was my
Spain. It's the
favorite.
it's the free land.
Yeah, hopefully it's going to change,
Of
right? At least by
course,
time.
you're gonna get a
I'm
Spain
still in
attitude.
sound.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's for sure. But I'm planning to get back. I love these options. The magic happens when you not watch the stock. Yeah, it's happening several times.
Sometimes it's happened. Yeah.
It's okay. Just don't panic and don't FOMO. Okay, SPY just broke. I got a
Okay, AMD
alarm there.
guys. Okay, get into a dollar.
Mm,
Nvidia, really good. Okay, let's breathe,
nice.
guys. Let's breathe, and
Yes.
the money is coming back. The money is
The
coming back.
breathing technique.
The breathing technique, and let's open the pockets to put the
Don't
money back because
don't
we have
get too
holes.
excited either.
Yeah, we have
Tara,
holes in
did
the
you
pockets.
yeah.
Yeah.
Did you trade PLTR again, Tara? That was a nice one. I was a bit afraid to put the trigger there.
In and out. Exactly, Videk. In and out. I'm watching Nvidia and I'm breathing really nice. Really, I'm watching AMD, nice. I'm
Yeah,
watching
market just broke.
RKLB. I don't know if I need to choke or not.
Nice
Uh,
Tara on PLTR. Okay, Soundhound, it's very slow, but it's still going. Not very happy about that. I would have just seen it already on the 70s. Wanted to see that already. Stop loss on the Soundhound is going to be under 1250, so very, very small stop loss there. Wow, the time is flying. It's 1 hour already. I mean, with a good
I think
company,
the time
definitely,
is not
guys.
passing, Aggie. I think it's not really.
But it's just 1 hour and the market just could not choose a direction. Again, I mean, it's such a typical August week. I mean it like it's typical August.
Okay, AMD, if the next candle gonna finish above it like in 26
Mm-mm.
seconds, it's gonna be amazing. We can get to 169, which actually can give us good.
My children are eating chocolate because I don't see them. Hmm? They think I don't see them.
Wow, Nvidia looking good.
Yeah, NVIDIA looks very good, very strong. Congrats to everyone who
Even
made a strong
RKLB,
pair.
RKLB is having a good formation. Really, I like what he's doing. If you didn't get into above 70, you can get with like a 40-cent stop. If you didn't get the 65, which is not really matter. What's the volume here? Looking good. Okay, EH broke after she broke my stop, but it's happened. It's happened.
Okay, here comes Soundhound. 5 more cents to take the partial here, traders. Slow but steady. Oh, nice. Okay, no, it's not that slow. Go, go, go.
Add Nvidia. I don't know. What do you have on 181F07? I'm not adding. This is not a day for adding.
Yeah,
I
I'm
can
afraid as well.
right now. I can start raising my stop. Like under 180. Okay, 177. 79.60 even. Like I'm cutting my stop. Really, I'm not gonna add. I'm aggressive, but today I'm gonna be passive aggressive. Yeah,
Okay.
I
Me too.
don't
I'm
have
just
the, yeah.
taking my partial on SoundHound Traders. It just doesn't want to push over the 70 as I see. 67, 68, it's okay.
Even the small cap are not really doing
Yes,
nothing. I don't see something. Okay, $1.50 AMD. Good. I want to see if we can get to 169 area. It's going to be 1 to 3, and it's good. We're getting there.
Yeah,
DJT is still fine.
yeah,
It's holding the. Let's see what I'm watching in DJT. It's still holding the 9 EMA. We broke the 120, the 1820, and we got 5 cents. Now, if we break in 1825 with a good volume, I will be pretty happy. Now,
yeah,
the
that would be
pre-market
nice.
was pretty aggressive. Pre-market was just a second. I'm not in my chart. Almost 19. Okay. So we have like a 30, 35 cents risk. And if we get to the high of the pre-market and we're going to break it, we're going to be really on a 1 to 3 risk reward. And if we break the high of the pre-market, which definitely can happen, I don't know. So looks okay. Looks okay. AMD, okay, and NVIDIA. Okay. Any question, guys? No, if it was a short squeeze, you could actually see the volume. I don't see any short squeeze here. No, 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 no. Look at NVIDIA in 5 minutes. There was a really good 5 minutes, one bar, and then no continuous. That's not a short squeeze. Uh-uh. I wish it was a short squeeze, but no. Okay, DJT. AMD, okay, we finished the candle. I want to see AMD over 167.60. I want to believe that Nvidia is doing some bull flagging here, and 181.10 will break. And DJT need to break 1825. I always talk about numbers, because that's helped me to relate to the trade. I know exactly, like in DJT, I know that 1825 need to, and then high of the day is the high of the pre-market. So I have kind of a reference. RKLB, fall in love with the reversal that stuck in the beginning. Yeah, that's a love story there. Yeah,
My
I
goodness.
don't know what I see there. Okay, Nvidia looking good.
Yeah, it looks very good for
Yeah,
continuation.
not taking yet nothing. Uh, let's see if we can get with Nvidia to 182.
Hmm. Thinking maybe to join AMD over this consolidation high, but
Mm,
RKLB looks very good too. However, you know what? I had one
Your stop
loser
gonna be under
here.
the VWAP, Aggie?
Mm,
67. You want to go 67.60?
yeah, around.
Stop. Yeah, yeah. 80 cents. Like, yeah.
And you know what? I just feel like Amir, this market is still not moving nicely. I am in green. Depends on DJT though, and the Soundhound second part. And maybe I'm not going to push it too hard today. No, it's just, this is not that day.
I'm not pushing. I'm trying to survive, Aggie.
I know, but I'm in
I'm
green,
really
so
not aggressive today.
I'm
Not
just
aggressive.
running
I'm
with it.
passive. Yeah, I have
Yeah.
good trade now. Um, definitely, if I'm closing now, I'm going to be. Let's see. Here I have 1.5. I'm going to be maybe half risk unit lost. But I'm
Looks
not doing
nice
this because the
comeback.
trades are looking good. So
Yeah. Yes, I don't like that there is no momentum on this market today again. It's just trying it, coming back. Not good. Okay. So Soundhound is going to be out 1250, 52. DJT is still thinking there around the VWAP. AMD looks very tempting because I like how the volume which is growing in the green candles and so on. I just don't like these markets though. Meta tricked me. And I was greedy because it did $1 and did not take it. On a market like that, you are not allowed to be greedy. Oh, yeah, I was not expecting for that Tara either. On the PITR big run today. Okay. Now let's see something else here. Coin week, PepsiCo 1.22% lower. Ooh, Pepsi. What happened with Pepsi? CRM, big drop.
RKLB woke up. Well, 20 cents, but I think the key moment gonna be the 50.
50.
Okay, the 50 is the key. It's a really good trigger, and if we break it, the high of the day is almost 51.
Mm-hmm.
So breathe, breathe, guys. Let's breathe. That's all we can do right now.
And don't fall asleep because this market is still very slow.
How can I fall asleep, really?
We cannot now because we have some
There's so much
swing
excitement
trades.
against me, Aggie. I can't sleep.
Yes, exactly. Like,
I have
look
to
at the
be
market
very sharp.
chart.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's
yeah,
just pushing back.
yeah. I have to follow the plan. Follow the plan. Okay, Nvidia looking good. AMD doing kind of a test, and you can maybe buy here some Aggie if you want, and then above where you want it, you can add
Yeah, I see that.
AMD. Small part
Coming
here
back.
and then above if
Mm.
it's gonna hold the view up.
Good risk reward.
Yeah.
Okay, Abi is really trying to touch this 50 soon. My Soundhound is going to be out soon, guys. Okay.
Okay, 30 cents in RKLB.
Market seems like another breakout. NVIDIA did break. Look at that. Wow. Okay. DJT, come on. Oof. Soundhound is out, traders, and DJT last chance for me.
My stop there is 80.
80.
Get
Okay.
40 cent, yeah.
Market, of course, it just got rejection on the highs again. Soundhound is out. Yes, Vidai, it's the patience game. Patience is the hardest to maintain on the market. That's for sure.
I
But
don't
right
have
now,
patience. If the trade is, you know, let it grow, I will be the biggest patient. But right now,
mm,
yeah, yeah.
tea is a good idea. I think I'm just doing a coffee quickly.
Tea. I need to eat. I to eat early dinner to get myself, not to look at this charts.
Oh, that market is looking really, really slow. And today we had economic news. Did not help too much. So Sound is out. DJT still on the brink.
Look at the MD.
Yeah,
Ah, yeah.
yeah, doesn't that look that good? At least at the moment. Google is weak today. It was really strong yesterday. mRNA. I don't like this stock. Okay. I just do a coffee and coming back soon.
Question, guys. No question. Today you're quiet. What's going on? Okay. B. Oh, quiet day. Depends, it's not so quiet. Um, okay. Nvidia got support from the 9, also AMD. DJT also is now around the view up. It's okay. We need patience. Nothing. RKLB got to the 50, got to the breakout, and then came back all the way back down. RBLX? I didn't see that one. Let's see. RBLX. RBLX. Yeah, I did a move.
Okay, I am back. Oh, Digit is back.
Yeah, back.
So
Back.
trying at least.
Hanging on the VWAP, Aggie.
I know, I see
Or
that.
it's going to fly or it's going to fall.
Mm. Wow, this market. Yes, and it's a very quiet day. Kidding me? Roblox just moved again? Did I? No. Where is Roblox? Amir, you were right. Roblox is unstoppable. Still the last week of the summer holiday.
But it makes sense, Aggie.
Mm,
It's August. All the kids are in
completely.
Roblox. They're making
Completely.
money, no?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's sometimes it's very simple, Aggie. Those kind of things.
Yeah.
Okay, RKLB came back to the entry. AMD again tested. Okay, Nvidia. Okay, Nvidia. Okay, 181.22 was the previous high, which was basically the high of the pre-market. High
Mm-hmm.
of the sorry of the first candle. So if we break 23, it's gonna be good.
Okay. Yeah, I see Soundhound, but I'm not sure it can do another reversal now. Like it was like one, two, three. This is the fourth reversal. Maybe 50, 12, 55. I think I'm not going to take it. I'm just waiting for this DJT now, traders. Small green for today. NVIDIA is a beast again. Amazing. Overall market is completely quiet and stuck. It can change though. We have seen it before. And now we just make a reversal again on the VWAP on the SPY. So I have only DJT at the moment, traders, nothing else. And I must tell you, I just cannot see anything which I would really like. And make another call here. I'm expecting the same like quiet days ahead. I'm just checking quickly. However, not sure because the NVDA still can cause some surprise. I don't know. Just a second, Amir. I'm going to reconnect you. Just a sec. You're welcome. Okay, and now let's see.
Thank you, Agi.
You're
Ah,
welcome. And DJT has not given up yet. Look at that.
high hopes, high
Look at
hopes.
that.
Nvidia revenue high. Yeah.
Yeah, really is just pushing higher. Market still nothing, not doing too much at all. Unity, I have not seen Unity today. Wow, it's strong. Area for M, nothing. Okay, I think I just convinced myself not to not to take any more trades at least now. Maybe later on, because anyway I will have some meetings now. If I see that the market is waking up, that would be great.
Yeah. I'm still holding RKLB. It's holding the view up. It broke like few cents, but my stop in RKLB under 25. AMD okay. AMD and Nvidia, I raised my stop under the entry. I don't take any partial. I want to take Nvidia partial around 182. Okay, it's gonna give me like 1 to 2. And I'm gonna take even 3/4. Um, I need to change the color of the pockets.
Yeah.
Okay, and what I'm gonna do with DJT, again, I have an order. I'm gonna throw it if I see a good volume. Over 25, 1825, I want to add. Because see what happened in the market and DJT, it's in a channel. So the low of the channel is now stop is 1795. So 1790, I raised the stop like 30 cents. And not 30 cents, a little bit less. What was my entry? 18, okay.
Okay. I'm still hanging only on the DJT. Let's see what's coming next.
I'm full of trades, Agi. Full of trades, no partial. It's like
Yeah,
I'm like in the casino, all in.
yeah, I know.
Now the dice are really throwing now. Green pockets. Um, Videk, unrealized, they're almost. Realized, they're not. But I'm not doing nothing. I'm waiting to see the trades. Like I want to see Nvidia 182 area. That's my partial area. AMD. AMD need to get away. You know, if it's going to break the 167.50, I think we're going to get to the 180, 168.50 at least. And DJT, there is something going on there. Let's see if the volume, yeah, the volume started to increase. I'm adding half position more on DJT 1825. Yeah, there is like almost 170,000 shares were bought right now. Want to see the big boom bar until 19. We're going to take partial before with the limit order, and then we are very happy. RKLB came back to the entry. That was a shakeout. Like
Mm,
somebody said, if you're not respecting the stop was exactly like 2 cents under. And sometimes you have to, when you have a bar like this, you have to wait for the end of it and just place your stop under. You just can't. Sometimes when you do the stop and then the trade develop, the view up is moving, and then exactly you find yourself on the view up. You have to adjust yourself.
mm.
Yeah, MD, give me a break.
AMD is just completely stuck. But it's so weird because it got really good news today. Mm.
Different position. I didn't see today like today. Let's see AMD. Um, Indeed, AT I have more. It's a certain kind of I think it can be a playbook momentum, but for the other one, no, no, no. They were not like the A plus plus. No, no way, no
Mm.
way, no way. Um, but sometimes, yeah, there's some formation, that we did. Which trade we did? Like we did TJT and trade that you actually size much, much, much more. Yeah, doesn't happen every day, but sometimes the results pretty good. Yeah,
Okay, I think I'm just going to babysit this DJT, but I need to move now
I
in the
can
next
stay. I
about
can
90
be here a
minutes.
little bit. I want to do some
Okay,
partial at least.
good.
So yeah, I need to babysitter the. You need to babysitter the kids. I need to
Yeah,
babysitter the stocks. Aggie.
yeah,
I
talk
don't
to
know
you
who is
soon.
worse. Which worse
Well,
situation is? Yeah.
they send dates, so they are quite of a challenge. It was my quiet hours now with you guys, so I really appreciate it. Indeed. So traders, I'm going to be back, of course, tomorrow at 9. I'm going to leave in the good hands of Amir. Amir, thank you very much.
You're welcome,
And
Aggie.
see you
Yeah.
everyone tomorrow. And
Uh,
I hope there will be some great partials soon.
Yeah, I hope so. Yeah,
Okay.
I'm in AMD, I'm in Nvidia, RKLB,
And DJT.
and DJT.
Nice.
Yeah,
Okay.
situation like this, guys. Nah, I don't remember that I had. Lunchtime, and I'm four trades, no partials. Wow. Yeah, I don't remember, and I'm thinking about it years now.
Mm.
It's very rare to happen, really. Wow.
I just leave them
Rare.
here in 5 minutes, Samir.
Okay,
Okay?
guys, no problem. Say it again.
I'm just leaving it in 5 minutes, the trades or the stocks.
What do you mean 5 minutes?
5 minutes chart.
Ah, okay. Thank you very
Okay,
much. Thank
so
you.
AMD
Yeah,
is here
yeah,
then,
yeah, yeah, yeah.
DJT at
Thank you.
your DJT.
Yeah. So, guys,
Okay, guys, see you
RKLB.
tomorrow. Bye.
Bye bye. I see a good volume coming also. I want to add above 50. Okay, RKLB. Yeah. You see, I want to be patient, but I want to get good result here. I see good opportunity above 50. I want to add more. And DJT looking good. And basically, really good. Oh, NVIDIA, guys. Okay. I'm throwing another 181.95, 6. Gonna give me $2, two risk units, which gonna be pretty good. I'm gonna take three quarter. AMD stop in the entry, DJT stop under 90, and add over 1825, RKLB. I don't want to talk about it. We just came almost from 50 all the way back. God damn it. Okay, DJT. 2 cents from that area. AMD, I don't want to talk about it. Okay, NVIDIA. Oh man. What Are you opening position, guys? Which stock are you in? Yeah, I saw it, John. I saw it. What position you are, guys? Which trade are you in, guys? A flat? Which stock did you trade today, John? You were quiet today. Look at DJT, guys. The chart of DJT. 1825. Triple top. 1822, 3. 1825. Wow. But you can see that we have higher low. Like if you see, I'm talking about 910. Not 910, sorry. AMD. I have bad sleep. Okay. Stop loss $1 above entry, above stop loss. Okay. 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 DJT. Let's see. Oh. At least, John, you didn't lose today everything on the opening like happened last week, correct? Which is good. See? We're better than we were last week. um, Let's see in 15 minutes. I want to raise my stop. So Nvidia, definitely my stop right now is under 180, 180.60. Yeah. Okay, LB, let's see. I'm up on the day, been scalping. Oh, okay. Maybe you know what? That was the wise thing to do today, John. Yeah, to scalp. Correct. DJT still looking good, guys. Still looking good. Still want to add 1825. So we broke like 3 cents with pathetic volume. I got filled 26. I have exactly 8 cents for that. 8 cents, not more than that. Any question, guys? I don't have nothing to say right now. I need coffee with something strong inside, John. Yeah, I'm gonna be here like 2 3 minutes, and again, let's save perspective. If I'm close everything now, maybe I'm gonna be a risk and a half loss, whatever. Which again, it's the red day, but it's not something really. The green are much bigger, I'm not afraid. It's not happen a lot, the red days. And you know what, John? You learn from everybody. I think in some point, I I had to be exactly did what you did, and I do it a lot. I don't know why I didn't think about today to scalp. When you scalp, you actually can take a quicker move, take more shares, and then nail it. So, but we learn. So, so guys, thank you. I'm gonna be here again on Thursday.